In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and customize forms in GoHighLevel. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to Sites, then Forms. This is your central hub for creating and managing everything related to form capture, so it's a good place to get familiar with. Next, click Add Form. You can start from scratch for full control, or choose from templates, if you want a head start with a layout that's already been designed. Once you've made your choice, click Create to open the form builder. Now you can add fields. Drag and drop the essentials like name, email and phone onto the canvas. Keep it focused. Ask only for what you actually need. Shorter forms tend to convert better, so think about the journey your visitor is on and reduce friction wherever you can. Click any field to customize it. Update the label so it's clear and friendly. Add a helpful placeholder to guide the user on what to type, and decide whether it's required. A quick tip: reserve the required toggle for truly necessary fields, and make sure labels and placeholders don't conflict or confuse. Arrange your layout by dragging fields into the order that makes the most sense. Group related items together and keep a natural top-to-bottom flow. If you're collecting contact details and a message, place the message box last so people can see all the basics first. If you need more than the basics, add dropdowns, custom fields or checkboxes. Dropdowns standardize responses and keep data clean. Custom fields are great when you want submissions to map directly into your CRM. Checkboxes are perfect for opt-ins or confirmations. Make your form match your brand by customizing design. Adjust styles, colors, fonts and spacing. Choose legible font sizes. Ensure good contrast for readability, and give inputs enough breathing room so the form looks clean on both desktop and mobile. Before you leave the builder, click Settings. Give your form a clear name so you can find it later, and configure options such as redirect behavior after submission, like sending users to a thank you page or a confirmation URL. Click Save to lock in your changes. It's a good habit to save frequently while you work. To use your form, click Integrate. You can embed it on your website or drop it into your GoHighLevel funnels and pages. Follow the prompts for the option you prefer. Finally, test the form by submitting a sample entry. Make sure required fields behave correctly, the styling looks right, and your redirect or confirmation displays as expected. That's it. Thanks for watching.